if you've not already gotten your flu shot, now may be a good time to perhaps consider doing so.
The latest data from the CDC shows Louisiana is one of 2 states with the highest amount of flu cases in the country. Chris Rosado sat down with the doctor about what this means for your family. He joins us now, Chris.
Well, the latest spike does not include cases reported during the record-breaking travel weekend, and that's why doctors say you should do everything you can to try and stop the spread and protect yourself.
According to data from the CDC, Louisiana and South Carolina are among the 2 states with the highest number of flu cases.
And so we're definitely seeing that in our clinics right now.
Records also show Louisiana is one of the lowest vaccinated states in the country, with about a 20% vaccination rate each year. Dr. Duplachon with Lake Urgent Care says it's for this reason we see these kind of numbers on an annual basis, especially when folks gather in large crowds indoors.
There's probably several reasons, but vaccination rates is definitely one of them.
According to the Department of Health, as of now, 10% of all emergency room visits are with someone who has a respiratory virus, and more than half of them have the flu. On top of flu cases, our state is also seeing a spike in RSV cases among kids. And while most kids recover from RSV in about a week or 2, it can still be serious.
Definitely there's been an uptick in RSV cases as well. We've seen some increased cases of that in some of our testing, whether it be rapid testing in kids or send-off testing in a lot of our adults.
Dr. Duplachon says the flu numbers over the last couple of years have been much lower than before COVID, but adds because vaccination rates remain so low, those numbers are starting to jump back up.
Obviously, we did see a drop-off in flu cases during the height of COVID, but we kind of are gradually getting back to where we were before.
Now, the numbers from the CDC show nationwide there have been roughly 740 deaths from the flu this season so far. Health professionals are also recommending RSV vaccines for patients over 60 years old. And if the flu shot is something that you're considering, make sure to check with your doctor first. Liz, Greg, back to you.